Welcome back to my channel. Oh, wait. Peep the growth. This is since okay, I'm just going to give you a little hair growth update. This is the length of my hair since cutting it in October. And the February half-term holidays have just gone. How long is that, lads? Mental maths. October, November, December. 4 months. So this is like 4 months of growth. And I'm pretty happy. I'm at the point, finally, where I can mini twist my hair, which I did for the first time last night. And I can pin it up, which I've done this morning. And peep the colourful clips, throwback to childhood. But yeah, I'm happy with this hair growth journey. I want to do it right this time. I want to do it and have the healthiest hair that I can. Yeah, I want to have long hair, but this is really all about health. Okay, so this video is my Aunt Jackie's unboxing haul, which I'm very excited for. I've tried to film it in the past, but it failed. It was too dark and my box ripped. So we're going to pretend that this is the first time and that the box is intact and that I haven't used any of the products, because I have by this point. I have my lovely intact box right here of Aunt Jackie's goodies. I bought 4 items from some UK website. That was one thing I was really happy about, actually, because I was able to get these products, which are from an American brand, I believe, but here in the UK. A lot of the time the brands that I've discovered online are like affordable, cruelty-free, vegan, all this great stuff, and then they're like only based in America, or international shipping is like, get free international shipping when you spend over $100, and that's really not something I'm trying to do. So I'll put the product information in the description so you guys can have a look. This order, honestly, probably including delivery, didn't even come up to £25 if I remember correctly, which is why I clicked that purchase button so fast. So the first product is the Fix My Hair Intensive Repair Conditioning Mask, and one thing I really like about this brand so far is that the amount of product you get for what you pay is amazing. A lot of time what I get is a smaller quantity of product for what I've paid for it. Don't get me wrong, the product quality tends to be great. There are plenty of great natural hair brands out there, but I just feel like I'm broke and I can't always afford to spend like £12 on a tub that's like this size. So when this monster arrived, I was pretty happy. Yeah, so I bought this conditioning mask because I like deep, intensive conditioning products. I have high porosity 4C hair, so it really needs all the moisture it can get to just not be dry on a daily basis. I'm looking forward to using that, and I guess I'll see how it goes. I haven't actually opened this one yet, but there's a couple of others that I have, so moving on. So the next one is the Grapeseed and Avocado Natural Growth Oil. The tub from before is 436 milliliters. I think it's like really specific because it's been converted from ounces, but the ounces are 15 ounces. So that's a really decent amount. I found so far that with these products you really don't need that much at all, and especially because my hair is short, I save product that way as well. The Balance Me hair oil, you get 4 ounces, decent amount again. I use this really often, and it's been, oh gosh, when did I even order this? It's been weeks since I started using this product. I use it on wash day, and if my roots get dry again wow, I'm just choking on nothing. With that said, I haven't really topped up that much through the week with hair oil. With that said, every day what I tend to do, or like every other day, usually every day when I restyle my hair and just refresh it, I spritz it with water and then put like a small amount of this in my palm and just rub my hands together and rub it through my hair. Doing that and using it on wash day for the past few weeks, it's still only like there. It's like barely moved from the top, which is pretty good. So this, I can tell, is gonna last me a while. I really like the smell of this. It's deeply hydrating, and it's not one of those oils that's just light and kind of runs off or gets absorbed really quickly and doesn't really do anything. It's quite a good blend of oils, but it's all pretty much in Latin, so I can't tell you which is which. But it looks like there's coconut oil in here, something else, some other seed oil, yeah. Another thing I like about this brand is that they have good ingredients. The lists aren't super long. Even if they are, they're pretty healthy looking ingredients. I don't know that much about cosmetology. Is that even the right word? But the point is, I'm not worried about putting it on my hair, and so far I feel like my hair has really benefited from using these products. The next one is the Flaxseed Recipes Purify Me Moisturising Co-Wash Cleanser, and I bought this because I just loved cleanser. It can make wash day quite quick, and it's especially good for when the weather gets warmer and the air isn't as dry. I'd use co-wash in the winter as well, but in the winter time I focus more on a really deep hydrating set of products. So like deep conditioner after shampoo, and really just tailoring my routine to making sure my hair doesn't dry out because of the winter air. But because we're in spring now, or it's looking like spring now, and we're coming into those warmer months, co-wash is going to be amazing. I feel like a co-wash product is also really good for busy times of year, like exam season, when most of us really don't have time to do much else. That's that for that. So the last one out of 4 is Aunt Jackie's Kalala Defining Custard, and it's another 15-ounce tub, as it so states. I really like this one so far. It has a really nice sort of fruity smell, but like fruity hair product smell, not like fruity, it's tried really hard to replicate fruit smell, if that made sense. And I really like this one because it's a really light hair cream, because I guess it says custard and not like heavy cream. I think it's a versatile product because I mentioned the weather changes and things like that and changing seasons. I think this is a really good, this would be a really good all year round product. It's not too heavy, but it does a really great job of hydrating and moisturising, and it's really good for my high porosity faulty hair, which without proper sealing of hair products, it kind of just releases everything back into the atmosphere and then gets dry again. This combined with the oil works really well. I feel like it works really well for the lock method, which is, if you're not familiar with the lock method, it's liquid, oil, cream, but people have different ways of doing it. That's one method that I find works really well for my hair. So far I've used 2 out of 4 of these products. I'm really liking them. I don't have anything bad to say about Aunt Jackie's. So that was all for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Stay tuned for more videos. I'll be back with some stuff. In the meantime, I have a whole bunch of other videos I've done, so you can go and check those out. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you next time.